All right, let's dive into level 2. And this is where we're going to do some more training. So, artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to teach a computer new patterns. So, what type of fish do you want to train AI to detect? So, we're going to pick one of these 6 items. Do we want to find only green fish, or blue fish, or red fish? Do we want to find only triangular fish, rectangular fish, or circular fish? All right, so I'm just going to click on green fish. So let's teach AI a new word by showing it examples of that type of fish. All right, so we're going to go back in and train it some more. Here we go. Is this fish green? Well, okay, so here's where we have some wiggle room because the fins are green, but the main body is not. So I'm going to focus only on the main body. So if the main body is not green, I'm going to say not green. All right, but that is green and that is green. So yes, yes, no, yes, yes. Ooh, that's yellow. I'm going to say no. All right. So do you think AI has enough training data? You can click continue to find out. Well, I really don't. We've only trained 10, but let's see what happens if we just try and rush through this. Maybe it'll all work out. When has rushing not proven to have exemplary results? So let's press continue. With your training data, you have programmed AI to recognize green fish. All right, we're going to run it. Let's see AI identify green fish. Okay, we're going to run it. So no. Uh-oh, that one was, oh, okay. No, 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 no. No. Okay, okay. Nope. All right. Uh-oh, that one was not green. So, okay, we put in a little bit of effort and we're not getting great results. Okay, so finally, but that one's not green either. All right, so we've got some issues here. So we're going to press continue. Based on your AI or based on your training, AI identified these fish as green. How did AI do? Okay, well, some serious issues here. So you can train more if you want to improve the results. Yes, we're going to train more because that's not. We got a bunch that are having issues. So let's train more. Click on the info button to see what AI learned. Okay. These were the most important fish parts: colors, body, mouth, eyes, dorsal fin. So click individual fish to see their information. Ooh. All right, colors, body, eyes, tail. All right. Body. These are the most important parts in determining whether this fish was green or not green. Body, colors, eyes, mouth. Well, none of it was green. Okay, so we're going to go back and we're going to train more. So not green. And there we go. No, yes. No, no, no. All right. And I'm just going to go through because we want to make sure. Oh, no, I said not green for that one. Oh, sadness. So that's what I get for going too fast. Okay. All right. So no. Great work. All right. So I'm going to try and get up to at least 50. Yes, not green. So all I'm looking at for what I'm trying to do is the main body. And I accidentally messed up because I was going too fast. So at least one of them snuck through. And so you want to make sure you take your time and do this right so you don't have the mistakes that I'm going to have. All right. We're almost there. I'm going to go to 75. No, no, yes, no, and oh, we've got to do yes and yes. There we go. All right, so let's try this again. Let's see if we get better results this time. All right, we're going to run it. All right, so far so good. All right, all the redfish going away. Okay, good. All right, good, good. All right, we got some progress being made here. All right, so let's press continue. Oh, do you see the difference? All of these are green. Even with the mistake that I made, all of these are green. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Let's look at the ones that were not green. All right, so there we go. None of these are green. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. All right, so now that we see that when you train it more, the AI, the algorithm is going to be more specific, right? So this is good. All right, and that was level 2. So I will see you guys on level 3.